but some of you might expect na makikita nyo ako ngayon dito. But truthfully, I don't want it here talaga. Pero, yeah. So, because when I started to set my foot on this institution in IPSU, I never even wanted to be in this position today. As also, I refused to do so during the first Gawan Parangal way back 2023, I guess, as I thought and wanted that these kinds of recognition will already end for me. Hindi naman sa ayaw ko na maging achiever, pero ayaw ko lang kasi na-expose. And honestly, I did my valedictory speech when I graduated in high school, and I wanted it to be the first and last speech I'll ever make about such academic achievement because I don't want it anymore. Ang ayaw ko po, I don't want that people would always see me as a competitive student. Ayaw patalo, laging perfect, laging nagre-review, laging nagbabasa. Eh, hindi po ako ganon. Truthfully, I am not that kind of person. But I assure that I'll do my best in everything that I do. And ayaw ko lang po that people would expect such high expectations and standards from me. However, I need to take this in because I believe that it is God who set my foot up in here, and it is for His glory alone that I humbly stand before you today. Hence, please allow me then to use this time, this moment, to thank everyone who was, who is, and who are always there to help me in getting up here. It is indeed not just a personal honor that I am here today, but rather a reflection of the collective support, guidance, and encouragement that I have received. First and foremost, of course, to my good Lord. Thank you, Lord, for always being there for me and guiding me and generously giving me wisdom whenever I ask for it. For this may all the glory be to God alone, as everything that I achieved today was because of God's goodness, and that without Him, I will never have this. So thank you, Lord. And also to our faculty out there, and special mention to be the best, to our best instructors in the PSTM program, Sir Ejo, Ma'am Kim, Sir Sid, Ma'am Dean, Sir Eman, Sir Rudy, and Sir James, and to all the past faculty. Your commitment to nurturing our minds and shaping our futures cannot be overstated. You have been our mentors, our guides, and our inspirations too. This achievement is as much yours as it is ours. Thank you for challenging us, for believing in us, and for always pushing us to reach higher, dream bigger, and achieve more than we ever thought possible. Thank you all so much, our dear instructors, and also to my past SSG family. Thank you for understanding that I can attend to every office and officer duty due to loads of activities and responsibilities that I also need to attend regarding my academics. Thank you for filling the gaps I caused. And of course, to my family and to my friends out there, Precious, Kyla, Kylie, Urban, and even to the whole BSTM 3D and to the BSTM family. Thank you all for the help and the answers we have shared. And every participation, little or big, help we contributed during classroom activities and so on and so forth. Thank you, and to more travel with you guys. And also, special thanks to my one and only crush out there. Nag-isang taon na hindi ko pinapansin.
Tino! Naim Rabil!
Thank you for being one of my motivations na pumasok araw-araw. And thank you for making me smile whenever you walk by our classes, especially when I'm academically stressed.
Tino!
And to everyone who or small, tangible or intangible, movable or immovable, and so on and so forth. Thank you all so much. And as I look around this hall, I see so many individuals who have pushed themselves to challenge the limits of their potential and given their best. To my fellow students, congratulations for having to make it here today. The road ahead us will be filled with new opportunities, new lessons, and of course, new challenges. But I encourage you all to approach each moment with the same passion, curiosity, and perseverance that got you here today. And let us all never forget that success is not defined by grades or titles alone, but it does include some. But it is also with the knowledge, the skills, and the character that we build along the way that will carry us through life's most important moments. Finally, my dear aunts, kuyas, adins, and even to our instructors, may we all continually embrace growth, learn from setbacks, and to continually strive to be better than we were yesterday. Let us carry forward the lessons we've learned, the relationships we've built, and the spirit of excellence we've fostered here, not just as students, but as lifelong learners. Once again, good afternoon. I am Rhea. Thank you and congratulations, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Rhea. So kung sino man yung binanggit niya dyan, malakas ang loob mo, pumunta ka ngayon dito sa